I really think that going through the trade school gives you the confidence to go ahead and do whatever it is that you want to do in the building industry. My name is Jeremiah Cooper, and I am co-owner of Real Deal Carpentry, Inc., a luxury custom home building company. I am Indigenous. Some of my family heritage is from Deke-Manan, which is Temagami First Nations. If you look way back, my grandpa, he was a carpenter up on Lake Temagami. It's inspiring to hear these stories of old. I'm a licensed Red Seal carpenter. Most people don't really know that carpentry encompasses everything on the job site. Help out the electricians or plumbers, making sure that all of their pieces fit where they're supposed to. For 7 years, I worked in a manufacturing facility for car parts, and automotive went down, and was lucky enough to get into carpentry because my girlfriend's father was a builder in the area.
Basically, one day he started working for Dad, and I can remember doing hardwood floors with him on a job. He picked it up long after I started and then just beat me.
I started helping him out on weekends at the Pines, putting down subfloors and learning how to put together a building, just some rough framing. I enjoyed carpentry, and he was the one that said you should go through for an apprenticeship.
He got all of his hours working for Dad, most of them.
Going through the apprenticeship is just like having a job on site doing all the daily tasks, and then say 3 months of the year you go to school and learn the bookwork, the math. When you're all said and done, you go through and take your Red Seal test. It takes a lot of studying, but it's worth it. I really think that going through the trade school gives you the confidence to go ahead and do whatever it is that you want to do in the building industry. If you're getting into being a carpenter, you're looking at starting off at $20 an hour. Keep going for 4 years and you'd be making 30 to 35. Up to 10, you could be making 40 to 50. It's a financial no-brainer to take the course, and you'll be making more money. I've built a lot of, fine homes under other companies, and I decided that it should be our company.
Me and him just got tired of working for other people, and you can make a living just working for other guys, and that can keep life simple, or you can take a risk. I wouldn't regret taking the risk, that's for sure.
Real Deal Carpentry is a full-service construction company, start to finish.
I mean, the first jobs you do when you're starting your own business, sometimes they aren't that glorious. It was just a deck, a really nice cedar deck on the back of a nice cottage. We ended up sort of surprising ourselves, and making some other contractors quite a bit of money just by being good at our jobs.
I like making sure everything's perfect. And if it's not, make it perfect. The highlight of my career working as a carpenter was building Cindy Crawford's cottage on Lake Joseph, and her walking right up to me and saying, "Thanks for your hard work." When a customer is happy and appreciative of what we've done, that is the biggest reward for me personally. We build pretty huge, luxurious custom homes here in Muskoka, but I'm really looking forward to building some affordable homes, whether it's here in Muskoka or up where my family is from. I just love to be a part of making this more of a dream come true for the average person. I definitely want to carry on and pass down. I might put my son through an apprenticeship. He's only 13 years old, but I know he's already told me that he wants to be a carpenter. He wants to work for his dad. Becoming a licensed carpenter at the beginning was just the opportunity to be at the top of the game of building, right? And starting Real Deal Carpentry is the next step.